Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Pro Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you the OBD2 Diagnostic port and Fusebox locations on a 2019 Peugeot 2008. Now for the OBD2 Diagnostic port, come over the passenger side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance, open the door fully, just come down, you're going to open up the glove box. Just to the left hand side you'll notice this indent. Give that a pull and that actually exposes your OBD2 socket. Now for your cabin fuses, they're hidden just down there, bit hard to get to but they're just up there, and I'll now put up the diagram for these. For the engine bay fuse box, just come down below the glove box, there's this, pop that, come around to the front of the vehicle, there's a lever just above the badge, you're going to pull that up, and then we're going to put our bonnet stay in that hole there. Once the bonnet is open, safe and secured, go over the right hand side and you'll notice this black box here. This is your engine bay fuse box. There's 4 latches, 2 to the left, 1 down the bottom there and 1 tucked over to the right. Open this up and this will expose the fuses. There you go, there's the fuses. I'll put up the diagram now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.